Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unblock phone number on your Android phone. So if you have a blocked number from your contact or you want to unblock the number, it's very easy. Just go to this application or phones a application by default by your Android phone and go to the two dots or three dots at the top of your screen. And as you can see there, in some device may be different. You can go to the setting first and try to search the block number or block list, but on my phone there is block and filter option here. You can go by tap this, and this is the block listed number. So I block all the number in here, but I want to unblock one of the number. Just tap on the number, this icon, and tap again three dots or two dots at the top of your screen and remove from block list. So it's very easy, right? I thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.